Hi, my name is Gio. I am a student from Francis Lewis High School.
My name is Christian and I go to Teaneck High School.
Hi, my name is Natasha. I currently go to Hunter.
Hi, my name is Miranda Amil. I'm from Morris Academy from Collaborative Studies.
It's been really good, definitely different than what I expected. I didn't know what was going to happen, but it turned out to be really good.
This weekend, I would say my experience has been really fun. I've got to meet a lot of people who have like real stories, and I didn't know that they have those stories because I believe that, oh, these are just kids. They don't have a lot going on in their lives, which is wrong because I know myself, I have a lot going on in my life too. But in that, I learned a lot about my relationship with my parents and how I see them and how they kind of see me and what made them the way that they are. It made me more understanding of them, honestly.
This experience so far has been awesome, and I widely appreciate the amount of amazing people here. Just the people are so nice here. They're so amazing. People are so kind here, and they understand what people are going through and what it was like to be a teen.
In this conversation, the being's far more important. You don't necessarily need these things to have this, but you do need this to accomplish this. Do you all get that? And here's what that looks like. You all have been choosing ways of being that have been working for you. Like with Stacy. Stacy chose strong because she held this up for a long time. Right? When you think about your own way of being, that feeling that you want to accomplish is literally living inside of you.
It made me very more comfortable with sharing my feelings because I don't share and express my feelings a lot, and it helped me feel more comfortable.
I think I'm gonna look at people differently. I know that beforehand I kind of saw this is who you are, this is who you're gonna be, this is who you're gonna be all your life. But I think I said, oh, you have the ability to change who you are. And I'm gonna take that also to myself and how I see myself. Instead of just saying to myself, this is who I'm gonna be, this is all I'll ever be, this is all I can be, I think I should know that there is more to me than what people say I am or what I even say I am. I can do more and be better than what I think of myself. So I can't wait to apply that every day.
Honestly, I learned to be less judgmental. The first exercise we did, not to be judgmental, this is not a non-judgment place. And I felt that. And I felt great with the people that I had in my group because they were not judgmental at all, sharing my life experiences and things I go through on a daily basis. And I had a great time.
How many of you all are clear that you have a way of being that you get to access to have your grades be different? How many of you all know that you have a way of being in you that can have your relationships be different? And how many of you all know that you can actually have a way of being in you that have your community be different? It's a powerful conversation, but you gotta choose it, choose it, choose it. And remember, everything you are is a choice. Everything you do is a choice. Even choosing not to choose is an actual choice.